welcome back. My name is Camille Batton. For those of y'all who don't know me, I do makeup tutorials and test out different products. In this video, I'm going to be testing out the new imPRESS press-on manicure nails. So, let's give them a go. Now the first step is you're going to use this prep pad to make sure there's no oil or any residue left on your fingernails. Also, make sure that your cuticles are pressed back for the press-on nails. Also, make sure that you have the plastic piece towards your cuticles. Now I'm testing out each nail to make sure they fit, and I'm laying them out on which finger they go to. And there you have it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Until next time, bye guys.